All right, good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I would like to share with you guys regarding about this short clips posted by KPRC2, and regarding about 44 wheels have been stolen from the Tesla parking lot, and somehow the city police don't have any clues, any leads. And what are your thoughts on this one? Should these crooks be locked up and prosecuted? Please do not do catch and release, because if they can do to one Tesla showroom, they can do to another Tesla, and maybe if nothing happens to them, they can even do to other manufacturers as well too. This is illegal and it is against the law. So these people, if caught, please put them in jail. Let's listen to the video, or watch the video in this case, if there's no audio. As you can see, these are the new model. That's the Highland Model 3. And by they do not, when they lift it up like improperly, they just might think that, okay, we're just only taking the wheel, right? But they could damage the battery pack underneath as well too, because all these vehicles here, Teslas here, the battery pack is right underneath, and if they dent it or they puncture it, it's very, very dangerous. And look at a lot. Look at that, that's brand new car. That's a performance model we're looking at too. Red calipers too. Jesus Christ. What country are we living in? Where is the law and order? And look at the Cybertruck. Somehow, did they take any wheels from the Cybertruck? I don't know. I don't see it, but they took mostly from the Model Y and the Model 3. This is unacceptable, guys. What are your thoughts on this?